Hey guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. I hope everyone is doing well and everyone is staying safe. If you are new to this channel, welcome to Bee's Kitchen's family, and please do not forget to subscribe. So guys, a couple of months ago, I shared this video of my chicken light soup on my Instagram, and I had a lot of DMs asking for the recipe. How can I not share this recipe with my Bee's Kitchen family? This recipe is easy to follow. The soup is absolutely delicious. You can enjoy it with fufu or plain rice, or just have the soup on its own. Stay with me and let's get started. For the light soup recipe, I am going to be using some chicken. To this, I'll be steaming using some black peppercorns, onions, Scotch bonnet, ginger and garlic. I'll blend this and I'll add this to the chicken. I also have some tomato puree and some bay leaf, Scotch bonnet. You can reduce if you don't like spicy food, onions, fresh tomatoes and some basil. I will list everything in the description below. In a blender, I'm adding the garlic, Scotch bonnet, onions, ginger and black peppercorns. I will add a bit of water and blend this till smooth. Once this is done, I will use the mixture to steam the chicken. To my chicken, I'm adding the bay leaves, the fresh basil. I'll add the blended mixture and also some tomato puree. I will also rinse the blender with a little bit of water and add this to the chicken. Now I'm going to add my seasonings to the chicken. I have some paprika, rosemary, thyme, Badia complete seasoning, adobo seasoning and Maggi cube crayfish. Feel free to season the chicken according to your taste. I will cover and allow the chicken to steam for about 20 minutes. Twenty minutes later, I'm now going to add the onions, Scotch bonnet and tomatoes. I will cover and allow the vegetables to soften. This should take about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the vegetables are soft. I'm now going to remove them and I'll be adding this to my blender. I will blend this until smooth. Now I'm going to add enough water to make the soup. I added 4 cups of water. Depending on how much chicken you're using, you may need to add more. Now I'm going to sieve the blended vegetables into the soup and I will discard the pulp. If you like your light soup thick, I would recommend not sieving the blended vegetables. Pour the mixture directly into the pot. Next, I will cover and I'll allow the soup to simmer on low to medium heat for about 30 to 35 minutes. And the chicken soup is ready. Guys, if I tell you the sweet aroma coming from the soup right now, I cannot wait to tuck in. My mouth is just salivating. To top everything off, I'll be adding some cooked okra. Thank you guys once again for stepping into my kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please do not forget to like this video, share, comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you next time. Bye.